Children are our most valuable resource. They are our future. Through their growth and development, our world grows and develops. But what happens if they cannot see, if they cannot hear? Childhood is a critical time for developing these abilities, which in turn allow them to go to school, to learn, and build futures that will contribute to a more connected, mobile world. How do we find the millions of children who would benefit from interventions in vision and hearing that will allow them to connect to a future and mobile world? Introducing the Eyes and Ears Toolbox, a collection of screening and diagnosis instruments that can be applied in low-resource settings around the world and that holds the potential to transform global accessibility of hearing and vision screening. This toolbox will consolidate existing applications, build new screening tools that fill in the gaps in existing technology, develop the training manuals for implementation, and we will validate the test in a variety of limited resource settings. We have a team with significant first-hand experience in the field and the expertise to carry out the task. We have built collaborations with colleagues in countries around the world and established programs to carry out screening of thousands of individuals on multiple continents. Join us in building this toolbox for the future.